Let's take it one hand at a time, and then I'll put the segments together. C, D, E, F, D, E, C, G, C, then a turn. C, B, C, B, C. So it goes D, 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 G, B, A, C, A, B, G, D, G, G, another turn. G, F, G, F, G, E, A, G, E, F, E, G, F, A, G, F, E, D, C, E, D, F, E, D, C, B, A, C, B, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, A, G, B, D, A, D. Now there's some fingering issues in there. Here I like to use the middle finger. Then I hit a thumb there. And go up and use the middle finger again. Now here we want to use 1/4. Because you get all those notes. Thumb, ring finger. Then cross over. And you can cross over any way you want to, but I like to cross over there and then go back to thumb. Then here, cross over so that you're hitting this with your index finger. Then you hit your index finger right there on the F sharp. Then we're back into another turn. Now here it's just a single CBC. Your main note is C, and so you just do a little mordaunt right there. So then you come right down B, A, G, F sharp, E, G, F sharp, A, G, B, A, C, B, D, C, E, D, B, A, C, B, C, B, C, D, D, B, C, D, G. And then that turn again. C, B, C, B, A, G, G. That gets you through the first section. Now your left hand is C, D, E, F, D, E, C, G, G. Then you start on this G. G, A, B, C, A, B, G, C, B, C, D, E, G, A, B, C, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, D, G, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, E, B, C, D, D. And that's that first section. Now you put the hands together and it's... Is your hands are working independently, so you're basically pushing your left hand to get a little better as you're doing that. The next section starts off with the left hand. G, A, B, C, A, B, G, D, G, F sharp, G, A, D, E, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, D, A, D, C, D, G, G, F. It jumps the octave. G, G, F, E, D, F, E, G, F, E, F, D, A, E, A, G, F, E, G, F, A, G, F, G, E, F, B flat, A, G, F, A. Now here your fingering is important. It's going to go F, A, G, B flat, A, and hit that A with your middle finger. A, come under it with your thumb. G flat, F, B flat, A, G, F, A, G, B flat, A, G, F, E, D, F, E, G, F, E, D, C, B, D, C, E, D, C, B, A, G sharp, B, A, C, B, E, D. Just a mordaunt there, just a D, C, D, E. Then right on down the scale, B, C, B, A, G, F sharp, A, G, B, A, C, B, D, C, E, D, E, F, E, A, E, A. Now your fingering is important because you've got you need to hit your thumb on that A. Then each time you get to your index finger, you're going to cross under it. So however you get to that, well, the way I like to finger is F, B flat, ring finger, middle, index finger, thumb. Then you got thumb, E, F, middle finger, thumb, fourth finger, index finger. Then hit your 3 right there, your middle finger, so that'll get you all the way down to that D. Then everything comes under the index finger. And you'll have enough fingers to go all the way down to that E. Now let's play that section with well, we got to get the right hand in there. Now your right hand is going to go G, A, B, C, A, B, G, F sharp. Only here we're going to have a turn again. And you just go. So G, F sharp, G, F sharp. A, B, C, D, B, C, A, B. D, C, B, A, C, B, D, C. E, D, C, B, D, C sharp, E, D, C sharp, D, E, F, A, B, C sharp, D, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, F sharp, G sharp, E. And then we're into this next section. So we're into that next section where both hands are going pretty good. So let's go through that section. It ends with a G in your right hand, and your left hand comes in. Now usually you can just wait the left hand, delay it a little bit while you finish that turn. If it works better for you. Note, you can play with either the right hand or the left hand because both of them are right there. See, your right hand can play that, your left hand can play that, or you're right-handed. I like to let the right hand take it and go up the octave, and then your left hand is set for here. Now let's start right there. At that point, your left hand is going to C, and hit that with an index finger, cross under with the thumb. C, D, B, G, C, B, A, G, F sharp. So you cross under with the thumb. F sharp, A, G sharp. Now here you can finger it however you want to. What I like to do is just come up with 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 to the index finger. But if it works better for you to use 4 fingers, well, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4. It works good for me to just go with 2 fingers in there. Just walk it up, crawl it up. And then here you've got to go down to the A, and then back up to the E, and down to the E, and then up to the A, down to the A. So I go. So I use a thumb and little finger for the octaves. The first one is index finger and then the little finger. Now the top part, the right hand is going to E, D, C. See, you're coming up. You're coming down from that E up to this E. So you're going to hit that E with your little finger. E, D, C, E, D, C, B, D. Then hit your thumb right here, C, and go up to your ring finger, A, G sharp, B, A, E, F, D, G sharp. Hit your ring finger again, E, D, C, F, E, D, and then here you're going to hit a turn there with a D, C, D, C. And then we go on. So D, C, D, B, A, and you're going to go right into an octave right there, which I like to hit with my little finger, because then I have all these fingers ready to go. Let's go through this section where we start right on the turn with the left hand, and I'll go slowly so that you can see it. Next section. Now this is going to trade off hands. You've got A, octave, G, F, E, G, F, A, G. And then the left hand imitates it. E, D, C, B, D, C sharp, E, D. Then the right hand, E, F, G, A, F, G, F, E, F, B, A, B, C, D, B, C, A, B, G, F, E, D, F, E, G, F, D, C, B, A, C, B, D, F, D, E, F, G, E, F, D, E, G, A, F, B flat, C, A, B flat, G, A. Then the right hand's going to finish it with C, D, E, F, D, E, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, G, E, F, G, A, B, C, A, B, G, C, G. Then turn, F, E, F, E, D, C, C, B flat, A, G, and I like to hit that with that little finger so that you've got all your fingers coming down. C, B flat, A, G, F, A, G, B flat, B, A, B natural, C, A, D, and hit this with your index finger so you got your thumb right there. D, C, F, B, and I like to roll that last chord and then put a little turn on that last C. So the left hand, while that's going on, the left hand is going B flat, A, G, F, D, C, B flat, A, F, E, D, E, D. And then this is a stretch. E, D. And it's best to hit that with the ring finger because you're going to have to go to a C. So E, D, C, D, E. And if you have to hold this back a little bit, do it. You can just hold it while you make that reach. So you're just coming right up. D, E, F, G. Skip to E, F, D, E, C. There's your C. D, E, F, D, E, F, G, G. And I like to hit an octave right there. Let's take that last section right where the hands trade off back and forth.